Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Khilji Tech 1. In this video we will discuss about a Kinemaster editing for TikTok. Kinemaster for TikTok editing. TikTok has taken the social media world by storm, offering a platform for creativity and expression through short form videos. To stand out in the TikTok crowd, mastering video editing is essential, and KineMaster is the perfect tool to help you achieve that. In this article, we will explore how to use KineMaster for TikTok editing, providing you with tips and tricks to create engaging and eye-catching content. Getting started with KineMaster. To begin your TikTok editing journey with KineMaster, start by downloading the app from your respective app store, available both iOS and Android. Once installed, and open app and tap Create New Project. Importing and trimming clips. To edit your TikTok video, import your clips by tapping the media button. KineMaster allows you to trim and cut clips easily. Keep in the mind TikTok short form nature, so aim for video length between 15 and 60 seconds. Adding music and sound effects. There is a very beautiful app for editing. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Khilji Tech 1 for more interesting videos. Fast subscribe. Music is a critical element of TikTok videos. KineMaster provides a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can add to your clip. Ensure your music choice matches the mood and theme of your video. Text and caption. KineMaster offers versatile text tools for adding captions, hashtags, or creative text element to your TikTok video. Experiment with fonts, color, and animation to make your text pop. Transitions and effects. Spice up your TikTok video with transition and effects. KineMaster offers various transitions and visual effects that can add a professional touch to your content. Overlay and stickers. Use overlay and stickers to emphasize key moments or add fun animals to your video. KineMaster provides a wide range of options for customization. Speed adjustment. Adjust the speed of your video clips to create slow motion or fast emotion effect. This can an extra layer of creativity to your TikTok videos. Voiceover and narration. If you want to provide commentary or narration in your video, KineMaster allows you to record voiceover directly within the app, exporting and sharing. Once you have edited your TikTok video to perfection, export it in the desired resolution and quality. KineMaster make it easy to share your creation directly to the TikTok app. Engaging with your audience. After posting your TikTok video, engage with your audience by responding to comments and interacting with other TikTok users. Building a community around your content is the key of TikTok success. Conclusion. With KineMaster, you have a powerful ally in your quest to create compelling TikTok content. Whether you have a TikTok new buy or a second creator, KineMaster user-friendly interface and robust editing tool can help you take your videos to the next level. Remember to experiment, stay creative and fun while editing for TikTok, and you will be on your way to TikTok stardom in no time. Written by Ambragana, recommending for media. OpenAI just killed an entire market in 25 minutes. The story of everyone should have seen coming. In this video, we will discuss about editing app now as KineMaster, and subscribe my YouTube channel Khilji Tech 1 for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz, and wait for my next video.